everyone, and welcome to another tech tip from Prime Secured. I'm Katie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to utilize Microsoft Word Track Changes. If you've never used Track Changes before, you probably don't know why you would need to use it. Turning on Track Changes gives you and collaborators a way to make changes that are easy to spot. They're pretty much like suggestions that you can review and then remove or make permanent. Let's first start with a document you'd like to use Track Changes on. Here, I have some social media content that I'd like to make some edits to. Navigate up to the top of your tools bar and select Review. Then click Track Changes. This has now turned on the feature and any edits you make will be captured. To turn Track Changes off, it's very easy. You simply select Track Changes again, and you'll see the gray box outline is gone. And now the feature is off. Word will no longer make any new edits, and any edits you make in the document will stay. I'm going to turn it back on and make a few edits in here to show you what they look like. Let's start with post 1. First, I'm going to change the word secured to connected. You'll see as I do that, it pops up over on the right-hand side and says that I deleted secured and added the word connected. Next, I'm going to go over here behind new challenges and come up to make a new comment. I'm going to say that we should add and issues after new challenges. When I do that, you'll see that a new comment box also pops up to the right-hand side with that additional comment. I'm going to do the same thing for the end of the post, saying that we should link to our YouTube. Again, you'll see that that comment pops up right here on the right-hand side. Now let's come down to post number 2. I'm going to come over here and delete the word connected. Next, I'm going to make a comment on the word hundreds and say that we should change it to thousands. Next, I'm going to add an apostrophe in the word were. And lastly, I'm going to add another comment at the end that says we should link to our website. Now, from here, if you're done making all of your edits, you can go back up to Track Changes and click it to turn it off. This will show you your original document with all of the edits and comments that you've added. Now that you know how to add comments and track the edits you make, let's look at how you can accept or reject those edits. Say you're a collaborator coming into the document and you need to look at the work that I've done and approve it or reject it. First, we're going to come back up to Track Changes and turn it on by clicking it. Now let's come down to the first comment. I see that I deleted the word secured and changed it to connected. I agree with that, so I'm going to make sure that I click it or highlight it and come over here and click Accept. You'll see that that's taken the box away and the comment is now complete. I want to do the same thing for the comment I've added after new challenges. I don't think I need to add and issues after there. So I'm going to come to the comment, go up here, and reject it. You'll see that that's taken the comment box away and the edit is complete. I'll do the same thing for this last comment. I'm going to accept it. Now let's do post 2. I see that I deleted the word connected. I'm going to accept that. I see that my comment says that I should turn hundreds into thousands. I'm going to accept it, and since I did, it'll stay here to remind me that I need to make that change. I'm going to accept my change in the word were, and I'm also going to accept my comment to add the link to our website. From here, if you're done editing, you can go back up to Track Changes and re-click it to turn it off. Remember to save your document, and now you have an edited document with saved changes that you can look back on and share with others to review and edit. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like and leave us a comment. We'll see you next time with another tech tip from Prime Secured. Thank you.